Hello all, a very warm welcome. So myself Utsav Mehta and you might have seen my earlier video about the resume critique. So today I'll guide you regarding the summer internships, what applications do you need to do and from where and what is the best time to start with the application. So first of all I would like to give you a small introduction of myself. So I am Utsav Mehta. I recently graduated from University of Texas at Dallas with the course of information technology and management, and my concentration was data analytics and business intelligence. So I am into data analytics and data engineering kind of domain. And for the summer internship I received an offer from Charles Schwab, and I worked as a analyst there. And previous to that I had like around 3 years of experience with Tata consultancy services, as you can see on the slide. And then for the fall I was a graduate teaching assistant there at UTD. And for spring intake I got the chance to work for Sprint as a data analyst intern again. And currently I am a senior consultant for data analytics and data engineering domain for Genpact as a full-time applicant. So let's move forward. I'll move on to the next slide. So yeah, so the very first question when you come here for the masters would be when to start for your summer applications, because like every student will be eligible only after 2 long semesters you study here, and then you can work for your summer internships. So when to start? So I would say your colleges start from August, July, and or August. So most probably you all can start your applications by August or September, and that would be the most perfect time, because you will get to know what all courses you will be taking, what all projects you will be doing in that, and your resumes will be well versed. So first of all, don't apply through your India resume, and your resume should be one pager. And I'll surely come up with the resume critic review again with the video. And so yeah, so coming back to this summer internship applications, it should start with from August or September mid. And the resume should be according to the job descriptions that you see onto the job profiles. Like, see, the employers like the HRs, they only have around 7 to 10 seconds to critique your resume, so to look at your resume precisely. So you should be very crisp and very clean about your resume, and it should look according to, it should be in reference to the job descriptions that they have mentioned. So yeah, definitely start from August or September, and that would be the ideal time. Now, from where to do the applications? So I personally started applying with the help of these five of the websites. So LinkedIn, Indeed, Monster, Handshake, and Glassdoor. So this all are the best websites where you can start. And one advice I would like to give is, don't apply to the jobs that are posted before like a week or 2 weeks or 30 days. No, you just apply to the jobs that are just 1 or 2 days posted, 1 or 2 days before. Like, they shouldn't be that old to apply, and after that nobody will have a look to your resumes. So please try to uh, apply to those jobs which are just 1 or 2 days old and not more. And the second piece of advice would be, after you apply to that particular company or particular job role, go to LinkedIn, use that feature, and see to it that if whether there are recruiters on the LinkedIn for that particular profile or for that company. Hit them a first email, connect with them, and let them know what all aspirations you guys have. So I would say that this five of the sites would be the best to start your applications from. And also apply with the help, like with the help of proper tagline or a handle. Like if you want to go for the data analyst roles, so apply for the data analyst role. Like don't go for the HR thing or for any other kind of roles. That would be a waste of applications. So like you might have heard about the people, like about your what other students, that they have applied to 2000 companies or 5000, they have done around 5000 applications or 1500 or 1000. So yeah, it should be relevant, so do it very crisp. It should be relevant. Like if you are going for the data engineering or the data analytics role, please apply to that roles itself. Don't like count your applications that it should go up to like 1000 or 2000, then you'll get a job. No, so you should be very proper and proper in applications. So what I can give you guidance is, so I applied around 500 companies and I got the interview calls from 5 of these companies. The first is Oriental Trading Company, second was SAS, third was Henkel, fourth was Charles Schwab, fifth was Alexion, and then Infuse Media. So I got the very first call from Oriental Trading Company in November, and it went well. So I wouldn't go from where did I get an offer, but I would just mention the timelines. From SAS, I got it in January. From Schwab, I got it in Feb. From Henkel, it was around mid-March. Alexion and Infuse Media both came together around April. So yeah, and as you all know that I interned with Schwab, as it was like really aligned to my job role, and the description it was mentioned that I had for my career path. So yeah, I interned as a data analyst there, and it was kind of good exposure there. So, and as you can see on the left hand side, there is an Excel sheet with the names of the companies mentioned. So I'm also going to provide you the Excel sheet below with the YouTube link, and you guys can download the Excel sheet and look for the companies that I have applied to, and you can add on your company list. You can also see the tab of fall and spring. So I'll be coming up with videos for the fall internship as well and for the spring internships as well, but there'll be just a small videos with just a little bit of guidelines for the resumes and the applications. So good luck to you guys, and have a great summer internships, and don't be disheartened if you don't get the summer internships. There are openings for the fall and there are openings for the spring, so don't get disheartened. Yeah, I know that the COVID situation is going on, so the employers are a bit shaky about the applications and about the recruiting side, but please don't lose hope. Everyone will get a job and eventually you will land somewhere where you dreamt of. So yeah, good luck to you all, and have a good day. Thank you.